What is the difference between area and perimeter? What's the difference between area and perimeter, folks? Throw your ideas up there. I know that we talked about this one already, but I want you to, make sure that you understand that there is a difference. And what is that difference? What is the area measuring? Good. Area is the inside, is the measurement of the inside of the shape, where perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape, or not the outside, but the edges of the shape. Does everyone kind of agree with that one? All right. I agree with you folks entirely. Now, here's my question. What about the difference in terms of how it's measured? You understand? Let's see what your thoughts are there. Perimeter. Some of you are writing it in a private message, and I'm writing that down right now. Perimeter is oh wait, I spelled that wrong. Perimeter is measured as a length. Exactly. Whereas area is measured as a length squared. All right. And then some of you threw out the equation for an area of a rectangle. All right. So, or perimeter of a rectangle. Wait. Oops. Reload. No. No. Don't do that to me. I think that it got upset at me. Sorry. Let me pause the jing. All right, so after we've figured all of the technical difficulties, here's what we decided. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. The area of a rectangle is basically the length times width. Now, how does that equation change? How does that equation change based on if we're talking about a square? That's my question for you. I'm just curious at this point. You're right. It doesn't really change. The only difference is with a square, the length and the width happens to be the same number. But really, I mean, you can kind of think of it as the same exact equations. But let's get back to what our real problem is. All right, what is the perimeter of this figure right here? How do you figure that one out, folks? I'm throwing it out there. I want you to figure it out. You can throw it up in a private message if you don't know. I mean, if you're unsure. Julia is throwing out 204. Julia, you got that by saying 38 plus 64 plus another 38 plus 64. Or you said 38 times 2 plus 64 times 2 is equal to 204. I totally agree with you. Now I got a question, folks. What is the area of this window? Area of window, 2,432 inches squared. That's a big area, but yes, exactly it is. Okay, I got a question. A silver wire is placed around the window. Which measurement would you use in finding the amount of wire needed? You're going to wrap a silver wire all the way around this window. Which measurement would you use, the perimeter or the area? Perimeter. Now, a glass is placed inside of the window. Which measurement would you use, the area or the perimeter? Area. Exactly. Very good job, folks.